Welcome. If you want to change theme of your LG K52, at the first you have to go for the settings, next tap on search pool and type theme. Let's go for the theme right here. And we can change for the second theme. It looks like that. Click apply. Right now we have to be patient and wait. And as you can see right now, when you go right here, oh, this phone is a little bit laggy, so it struggles with the simple things. But as you can see, our theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.